You can't tell me this in my hair, honey. Nice and sleek and nice and clean. Love it. Love it. Alright y'all, we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to Unice Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. Now, as you guys can see, today is going to be a same day install hair video. We're getting straight to the point in today's video, guys. Less chatting, more slaying. So this unit right here is their chocolate brown kind of auburn color unit. It is a 13x4 as you guys can see. Very, very nice pre-everything out. They did an excellent job tweezing this front line, y'all. They did really, really good. So this is their 13x4 and it's like a loose wave texture. And this unit is 24 inches long, guys. And one thing I love about this one, it is pre-layered. So with this unit, they already did the cutting. So I'm not gonna come out with my scissors to do anything extra. She's already cut to perfection and done the way I love. You guys know this is like my signature look. But obviously I'm gonna come in and just, you know, fix her up a little, make her look a little bit more cleaner, nicer, whatever. So you already know, I'm gonna add a little razzle dazzle to her, but very, very cute. Again, this is up my alley. This is my style. The cap construction is excellent on this unit, guys. It has an adjustable strap. It has the drawstring, and it also has the hooks in the back of the wig. So when I tell you guys that all I utilized today was a drawstring, this unit is very, very secure. So it does come with tape on both sides. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this section off with some alcohol, and then we're gonna use that. But I am gonna go ahead and tint my lace. I use the Red by Kisses medium dark brown, and this one pretty much does what it needs to do for me. So I'm gonna use this just to make sure that everything matches to the T. And then we're pretty much, you know, ready to style it up. Again, with this one, because the hairline is so clean, the hairline is so fleeky, I don't see myself going in and doing baby hairs. But if you wanna do baby hairs, do whatever your heart desires. I think I'm gonna keep mine clean because I feel like the clean look just be looking, it just eats it up, okay? So I do really, really like this, and I might actually go ahead and trim a little bit of this lace off because they do put like a little extra lace there. If it's not necessary, I just cut it off. So let me go ahead and clean my edges with some alcohol, and then let me go ahead and tint this lace. So I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so she's nice, clean, and polished, and you guys can see she looks absolutely stunning. The color is very pretty, guys. It complements all skin tones. It's not doing too much. It's just doing just enough. Absolutely love this. Again, I did not have to pull my scissors out to customize this unit. It already came pre-layered, and you guys can see they did an excellent job with the layers. The hair has a nice bounce to it, guys, so just adding an extra curl layer to it is not going to hurt you. All I did was go in and do some chunky sections in the back. The hair already had its nice loose wave look to it, so I didn't really go crazy. I just wanted to amplify so I get like a nice refined look. So this is absolutely gorgeous. You guys already know that body wave is my absolute favorite type of texture. Anything wavy, loose wave, body wave, they're my types of textures, just because when it comes to curling these types of units, they curl nicely and they also give you the oomph amount of volume. So this unit definitely gives holiday vibes, guys. Very, very pretty. Again, the color doesn't even clash or anything like that. It goes perfect with my skin tone and it doesn't wash me out, which I absolutely love. Like, you get that perfectly nice mix of an auburn and a chocolate color together, guys. Absolutely stunning. And again, this is 24 inches long and it has a nice body to it. So the density definitely is a little bit on, you know, more of the natural, maybe 180% density, just because of the body wave and the volume of this unit. Absolutely love it. You cannot tell me that this wig is not cute. Look at this little half up down style I did. Like, so cute. And again, look at them curls. Look at that bang. Very, very cute, y'all. This is definitely eating it up, y'all. Unice Hair Company definitely nailed this one. Look at the edges right here. You can't tell me this in my hair, honey. Nice and sleek and nice and clean. And all I did was use that little bit of tape, y'all. That is it on this unit. And it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, I'm eating this up. So that basically wraps up today's hair video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's easy peasy same day install. Shout out to Unice Hair Company for sponsoring today's video, guys. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code. If you want to step into the new year with a new style, new color, this is definitely the unit for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.